Let me show you how to quickly install Banuba Virtual Try-On on your Shopify store. You can find Banuba Virtual Try-On on the Shopify App Store by entering Banuba in the search bar. Start by choosing your plan. You will have 14 days to test this plugin for free. You can change your plan at any time if you need to. The next step is making digital copies of your products. Click the Configure Products button, then Choose Products button, then select items from your catalog and press Save. Click the cogwheel icon next to the item to set up its virtual version. Next, in the Variant Modification card, set up the finish and coverage of the product. Then, add multiple versions of the same product, for example, different colors of lipstick. Enter the specific shade with RGB numbers, a hex code, or by selecting it on the palette. See how each variant looks on the model in the right sidebar. You can change models and see how your products look on different skin tones. Use the slider for the before-after effect. Now you can enable the Virtual Try-On plugin in your store. Click the Activate Embedded app on the home page of the plugin. Make sure the button in the left panel is switched on. Then press Save in the upper right corner of your screen. You will return to the home page. Now click the refresh icon next to the Activate Embedded app button to have Shopify integrate the plugin with your store. Now press the Add button on the home page to add the Virtual Try-On button. You can drag and drop it to different places on the screen. For the best results, put it on the visible area near the product photo. The button will appear only for the products you've chosen on the previous steps, and you can add more products at any time. You can also change the button's color, font size, name, and other parameters. Press the refresh icon near the Add button on the home page to see your changes implemented. Check how the plugin is working. Go to the Products screen accessible from the left sidebar. Click the eye icon near the product name and you will see the virtual copy of your product as your customers will see it. Thank you for choosing Tint by Banuba. Enjoy using it and growing your sales.